Hi everyone! Welcome to our new video. Today, we are building a ROWBOT, and this is part 5 of our series. In the previous parts of our solar robot series, we focused on land-based designs. But now, we're taking it to the next level by creating a robot that can be used on water. So, without further ado, let's get started. These are all the parts you'll need to construct the robot. Pause the video if you need more time to review. You'll also find this list on page 29 of your manual. Now, let's begin. And that concludes this tutorial. Thanks for being here. Don't miss out our next tutorials for another water-based variant. See you in the next video and keep experimenting with your ideas.